we can hop in my Mercedes coupe. Pop the cork off the Superior Wolf. Crank the music, blowing circles out the roof, and just enjoy the view.
Since I quit my work from Google Japan and started on my own, freelancing, running a business, I felt like I need to share my journey, what I'm going through, because a lot of people ask me on Instagram, a lot of people want to quit and like start their own freelancing, so I totally understand their struggle and I want to show how I've done it.
I'm not getting afraid that you love me, but if we get a wrong place and it's comfortable.
It's never a waste of mine with you. In a verse down my spine in a months.
So currently I'm working on helping foreign companies to integrate and start their company and business in Japan. So most important is marketing. One of the projects that I'm working right now, it's a game called Toss It. So it's a darts made of silicone. We went to Kyoto to Osaka to film a content, but the comments that we started to see is very negative. Go back to your country, like why stupid foreigners are doing that. Apparently we use the same content, like the concept is the same, but how people perceive it is very different. In Japan, people are mindful about surroundings and they don't want to annoy into someone else, I would say, on the street, especially in public spaces as well. So you need to consider when you want to enter Japanese market, it's not just same as Dubai or other European countries where companies open their offices, they open their companies in those countries. Yeah, it's pretty much international market. In Japan, 98% of population are Japanese, and especially most of the people here right now, older people are growing, so that's why it's not really adaptable like any other country. So you need to know the culture here. Japan is pretty big market, so that's why there's a big opportunity to start any product, any service here, and but at the same time, like I said, you need to be mindful of how you position yourself in this market.
Tired of all these hoes, baby, I need your love. I just told Bo it's us. I hit that one, no fuss. I hit that one, then cut. Aye, skirt, I'm in a rush. Aye, it's us. Aye, it's us. I just put her in Chanel. My haters, I wish you well. Bear, don't kiss and tell. My ups are broke as hell. It's us. It's us.
So yesterday's event was pretty good. I'm gonna make a video probably out of this tonight. Today we're going to Sushi Tech Tokyo, which is like exhibition about
Japanese technology. Is famous in the world. Let's see how it is. It seems like, how do you feel though? How about the around? How's it?
Feels like, I don't know. It seems like you can use it, but I don't know.
Live
green screen.
Yeah, live green screen. Maybe for some promotions or like some pop-up events, they can use something like this. There's also something that looks like a Gundam, or like what's it called?
Yeah, looks like a Gundam.
$1時間待って、スペースで宇宙でおにぎりができるんだって。で、あとケーキもありますね。たこ焼きがいい。
タコ？This is actually first successful flying vehicle. Did you hear about it? No? In Japan, actually. It could actually fly and go through a test. I think here 90% of things are useless and just looks futuristic but doesn't really serve any purpose. But something like this, especially in Japan and in
developed countries, there are a lot of older people, and they might need something like that. And even this thing, right? Like you said, Ethan.
Yeah.
It might be super. Like I don't know how much it's gonna be produced, but it seems like a regular carrying, and you put like a battery and also maybe some AI thing that sees in the environment. Oh wow! Imagine someone also like their own garden or something.
Wow.
They can use it to carry heavy stuff. It's gonna follow you because it has probably like a LiDAR or some system.
Wow, that's really
It's gonna
cool.
follow you. This kind of seems, these products I think solving the issue. That's the most important.
Hey, look, ain't really much in the hood these days. I'm tryna get me paid. 10 rats can really do good these days. Keep my pack so late. This buddy wanna link and talk about dates. She don't know man's face. I know that my links back home wanna see man paid. And I know that's great.
港の女子の一日です。休みの日何やってますか普通に。
教えない。お前には教えねえよ。
YouTube の皆さんに教えてください。
YouTube 登録者おらんよ。
いえ、僕は1万円いるけど。
1万円
1万人
1万人
登録者がいるけど。
What about fries? Fries. Yeah.
Too much fries.
Took a stop off for tea. Ain't really much on my G's. All going stuff on UB. A drop on fleet. Know that her boy on.
It's pretty much my week. If you want to see something in Tokyo, in Japan, about anything, life, business, let me know in the comments. And I truly appreciate you watching until this moment. And hopefully see you in the next one.